It's been a year since we put the Philips outdoor lighting throughout our yard. We have quite a variety all through, pointing up at a variety of trees, tucked away in bushes. And we even have this exceptionally filthy light bar right here. And you can see how it's all connected right here. We had meant to bury these, but we just got lazy. So these have been getting soaked all winter. This spot in particular is actually a total puddle as water comes down this roof, and there's a leak in the gutter right there. So this spot just gets slammed with water. But they're all still working beautifully. I think the only challenge is making sure they can still aim at whatever they're trying to aim at. And we even hung one of the spotlights and added a plastic chandelier around it, and this has been out here all winter. Yes, it has blown back and forth. I've sprayed it with a hose a couple times to get all the dirt off of it, but it still looks great and it all works perfectly. Let me show you. And this is what it looks at night. While we can change the colors to anything we want, including some unique effects, we mostly go with just the solid, warm yellow tones as we really like that, and we find it really inviting. And I do want to point out that not all of this light is coming from our landscaping. Our neighbors have a floodlight. We're hoping to work on them with that, as it really ruins the beautiful ambiance we're working on here. And we usually keep the dining table light off unless we're using it, as that makes it just even more inviting and calm and wonderful. Fantastic lights. They've definitely lasted the year with no issue, and I'm sure they'll last many more years to come.